Payback.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Jay and welcome back to the Real Hicks family. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the Real Hicks family channel and make sure you hit that bell. Also, make sure you like, share, and comment down below and let us know what you think about this video. And also, let's try to get this video to, I'll make it easy on y'all. Let's get this video to 50 likes and I'll do another prank on Trey. So, right now, Trey is upstairs sleeping in the game room. And let me tell you, this man snores horribly to the point to where I can't sleep at night. And if he goes to sleep before me, I can't go to sleep. Cause it's that bad, y'all. It's okay, don't believe me. I'm gonna go upstairs to the game room and I'm gonna show you. Also, come to think of it, if y'all seen my last video where Trey annoyed me and got on my nerves, like my literally last nerve, y'all, yeah, it wasn't cool. So in order to get him back, I'm gonna go get some ice cold water and pour it on him. So comment down below if you're team Jay or team Trey. So let's get to it, y'all. We about to go inside. And then y'all will see how badly this man snores, cause it's bad, y'all. All right, we gotta be quiet and I'm about to take my shoes off. Oh my God, y'all. Like I can hear him snoring downstairs. That's how bad he is snoring. So let me grab a cup and I'm going to pour it on him. Oh yeah, shout out to my 49ers, y'all. So ice cold water. Alright y'all, I got my water. I'm about to head upstairs and I'm gonna let y'all hear how badly Trey be snoring. Also, I got my water because I'm about to wet his ass. Yes. Don't get mad, get even.
Feeling about this.
What are you doing?
Payback.
Payback for what?
Oh, for when you was annoying me the whole day.
I'm gonna get your ass, bro. Come here.
Gotta go. Okay, I gotta go.
Come here, girl.
Gotta go.
Come here. What is this? Come here, girl.
in socks. Stop.
Babe, really? What was that for?
Look.
Seriously? Why don't sleep, babe? Man, I was sleeping good too, man. What was that for?
Huh?
What was that for?
Well, you played a prank on me
Uh-huh.
in the last video.
Uh-huh.
And let's just say I was letting people know how badly you snore.
Wait a minute. You got me snoring, babe?
No.
Okay, this is war. Look here, y'all. Team Trey, y'all know we about to clap back on this one, man. Trust me. So stay tuned. Oh, man, you got when I was snoring for real, bro?
Nope. So, Team Trey.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. You
No,
know
no,
it's
no.
right because you know I get the better pranks. Mwah.
No. Team Trey is going down.
No, we
So,
ain't.
make sure you comment below. You
Please,
Team
girl, got me
J.
snoring, bro.
Yes.
Everybody gonna think
Team
I'm
J
sleep
all
better,
day,
bro. What the hell?
every day.
Dog.
Hey, Trey.
What, babe?
You ready to go night-night?
Night, where?
I don't know. Kevin Hart say it all the time. So I just said it.
Oh my God. I'm gonna get you back, bro. Y'all, I'm gonna get your ass back, bro. I promise you I am. Man, look here. Team J, y'all about to go down. I'm telling you, the next one is gonna be lit. Believe that.
Team J ain't never scared.
Y'all going down. I can't believe you did that.
Anyways, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you already have it, and hit that notification bell so you can get the latest Real Hicks Family videos. And also make sure you like, share, and comment down below.
Ooh, you lucky I can't find no water right now. You lucky they outside. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you back. You know I am. So next time y'all see Jay, she gonna be all wet. Water was glistening all over her body. Yeah.
Yeah, the next time y'all see that, we'll be out of quarantine, and I'll be somewhere on South Beach with I don't know, some type of fancy drink in my hand. That's the next time y'all gonna see that.
Man. That was a good one, bro. I can't believe. Look, I don't snore that bad. That was sound effects. She did something to make it sound like that. I don't snore. Do I?
Really?
I don't.
Really?
I don't. Watch the video. I don't snore.
Y'all comment down below if Trey is a horrible snorer. And if you think you can sleep if your significant other snored like that. And also comment down below, Team J, because I got this one in the bag. You know they got that on film, right? I got that.
What you talking about?
I seen it.
No, you don't. You didn't watch the video? Watch
No,
the video.
you
It's
did
called
something.
Evidence. Innocent to prove guilty.
Well, you just told on yourself.
No. That's everybody.
Auntie, remember I said you my lawyer. That's all the proof you need right there to win that case.
Nothing. Nothing at all.
Got him.
Good one. It's payback though. Believe that.
We shall see. So, as you seen, Team J all day, every day.
I still can't get over that. I'm laughing, but I'm gonna kick your ass, bro.
But that ice cold water felt good on you, didn't it?
It sure did, man. Anyway,
Yes.
so like we said we were gonna do, it's got one special shout out we're gonna do at the each of every single video. And
Yes.
this video's winner is
Drum roll. I guess that was a New Orleans drum roll.
Yeah.
Yes. Our shout out winner is Tanya Ross.
Yeah. I seen all them comments down there. No grits, baby.
Yes, so
I don't want no grits.
Shout out,
Not
big
what she
shout
made.
out to Tanya Ross for supporting and subscribing to the Real Hicks family.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And make sure y'all continue to comment down below so you can get your shout out on the next Real Hicks family vlog video. And again, Team J.
So make sure you watch all that video. If you ain't like, subscribe, and share this video by now, go ahead and do
Yes.
that right now. But until next time, everybody, peace.
Okay, bye.